Yeah, I throw salute to the welcome for football and pitching after match. Look how you see him. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Barcelona 2 and Manchester United 2. And we get Oga Godwin, maybe like saying now Ogbonge person. Ogbonge man you fan make can tell us about this game. Oga Godwin, now how you see your team performance today?
I dey very excited. Today match sweet me reach my belle. Since from first half, I just get that confidence say make man you play wetin dem fit play. And I come watch as I watch the match, man you come play their confidence playing. They do their best. They no play like before man you say na defense. This one man dey play come outside. Then they attack, then they defend. Oh, they just carry and play today. You know, I say man you dey play ball. I say no be Barca again. Like say na normal England game they play. I dey happy well for mine today, my brother.
So with this performance now, how confident you be as Man U fan say Man U go fit qualify, come up for this playoff with Barcelona? You know, say when they do this playoff, many people say Man U don't die for Barcelona and but this performance today show people say more. Not be the way that they look at me say even if the thing go close, but you as a Man U fan, you dey confident say Man U go come out for the second leg for Old Trafford, Man U go qualify.
Yes, so my brother, I dey very sure of that one. One thing with Man U, wetin I don see with Man U, be say if Man U dey play the first leg, you no win them. Definitely second leg, Man U go win you. Because they come down their home, e just be like say since they come back from World Cup, they just get one kind this year they wan keep. Say once e reach Man U home, they must win you. Even if na 1-0, 2-0, they must make sure say dem win you. So na be that thing now wey Man U wan do back as so the next leg.
You talk about say since they come from World Cup. More talk about one player will be like say since he come from World Cup, he not scored 13 goals for all the top 5 leagues for Europe. Nobody don't score currently past Marcus Rashford. How you see this form when Rashford dey currently?
Omo Rashford form, I still dey talk am, e surprise me o. I no believe say many other fans dem fit dey rate Rashford like Ronaldo. Right now, Rashford just be like Ronaldo to Man U. Every match he dey play, he must make sure say he score one goal. And he must make sure say he show say Rashford dey match. No be that kind player be say na behind goal or maybe they just mistakenly give am ball injury or not. He must show him confidence say okay, he dey match. So I dey happy for am well. Even this guy Wan-Bissaka na another person too wey be say he follow pick form. I dey happy for those two people this season. Dem really try.
We know say the game now draw, but if you want to give one Man U player man of the match, say, but now this guy now try pass for my team. Who you go point when you go give man of the match?
Normally, before who I been carry for mind to give na Rashford, but wetin the girl do, my brother leave am, na the girl collect man of the match. The girl in defense, in keeping, goal keep today, he keep like never before. You see the way they hang ball from air with full shot. That guy na baba abeg, he try for that goalkeeper work abeg, he try well. Na him collect man of the match for today.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna talk about Casemiro now. You know say this signing when Chelsea sign now, man. When Man U sign now, you get the way things stay there for the club. Some people call them panic buy. You understand? How you go rate this signing if you want rate them from 1 to 10? Because since income now Ogbonge from one Ogbonge team to another, line just the two. But how you go rate this signing as a Manchester United fan from 1 to 10?
Omo, see, I give am the highest. So I give am. See, one thing with that guy, once in the match, Manchester fan, they get that confidence. Say our defense dey close, and we get that confidence. Say he dey push the ball out. Now one kind guy be say once in the match, Fred dey fit relax. Say okay, person dey wey be say yes, wey dey make sure say the ball he come outside, he defend well. So I rate am the highest. So
10 over 10.
10 over 10, oh boy, collect am more. I know that one. Oh. This match, if no be him, mine see for see something. No, mine for see here. If no be him, so I give am 10 over 10.
10 over 10.
Yes,
Then,
sir.
wait, just before we go end this interview with you, one word about your manager.
Oh, my manager. Manager make me remember Alex Ferguson. No, this man, he dey make me remember Alex Ferguson. That be the only man be say first half he dey give you trial. Say, oh yeah, do wetin if you do with my players them. Second half, he dey show you say he get one thing wey be say if he bring them come, they make sure say dem close marking, close defense. If you watch every match we dey play, first half dey always give the opponent chance to do anyhow, but if they no fit do anyhow, second half as e dey do im changes, goals must come. Goals must come definitely. We no dey just play barren draw. We must make sure say goal come out. So e dey make sure say e build that team well. I like that im confidence wey e dey use play.
All right, now, God Godwin, thank you for your time. Country people, now loyal boy, of course, we dey loyal like loyal me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content, but make you no forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share am with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platform, dey for the description for inside this video.